Hi everyone, this is Ishika Kesarwani and I welcome you all to the Tech Podcast. Today we are having Rachel with us. She is a Power Platform advocate and a junior Power Platform developer. Maybe we can first start from getting to know you.
Okay, my name is Rachel Irabor. I'm a Power Platform advocate and also a junior Power Platform developer. I started my journey in tech after attending a Power Platform bootcamp in my state, which was last year, October. And since November, I started my journey and I started sharing my knowledge in the community.
Amazing. Can you tell us a bit about your about what community is for you, how you got started with it, and how it has helped you out till now, and
Okay,
your
I
experience?
Yeah. Okay. I started my journey, like I said, I started my journey after attending the boot camp, and I started learning in November. So during the boot camp, which was head by David Abu, he's a cloud advocate in Microsoft. So he actually talked about if you have any issues, just use the hashtag hash power addict to ask any questions you have. So I did not really start on time to start asking questions about Power Platform, like because I'm into Power Apps and Power Automate. I did not start earlier. I was in the middle. I was trying to figure out what I wanted, what area in tech I wanted to go into. So after going into data analysis and I saw that it was not something I wanted, I went into Power Platform because I saw that I loved it. I love building, and also the community is very continue. The community, they are like family. They say the word sharing is caring, but it's more than sharing is caring because they take you like family. They ask you questions. They try and make sure that the mistakes they made in their own career, that you don't make such mistakes. So community has been awesome. Yeah.
Amazing. So you're also a MLSA, right?
Yes, I am.
So can you tell us a bit about it and how you got to know about it?
Okay, I joined this month. I became a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador this month and I got into AFA. So I actually heard about the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program during the boot camp, but it took me time to apply for it. But I got support from the community, from the Microsoft student community here in Nigeria, Benin City, and I was able to apply. And since I applied, I've been checking on resources. There's so much to learn, and it's really nice. I have interest in technical writing, and I've seen the programs they have for technical writers to be able to direct you on what the mistakes you're making and how to go about it. So it's been awesome. Yeah.
So what's the procedure to apply for this program and what are the requirements?
Okay, with being a student in your country, you're already eligible for applying for the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program. So you just have to go to the link on your browser, and when you're going to the link on your browser, you click on apply, you fill in your name, your social media, either your GitHub, your Twitter, and the rest. And also, you get to fill in your informations, and you get to talk about teaching. It has three places to fill in your application for teaching, inspire, and how you hold an event. So you get to do a video for either of them. For me, I did for teaching, then I wrote for the others. Yeah.
Amazing. So how has this program benefited you till now?
Okay, I actually started last week. I got into Microsoft Incidents Ambassador Program last week, and I've been able to connect with so many people around the world who are Microsoft Student Ambassadors, and also being able to see the different communities on the Teams channel, being able to see different resources on AI, on Azure, on Power Platform, and seeing what students are doing around the world of holding different events and impacting lives. Yeah, so it's really amazing. I can't wait to start. Yeah.
Amazing. Can you also tell me a bit about a Power Platform and how one can start with it?
Power Platform is very amazing. Like it's a suite of applications that has five tools. We have Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Visual Agents, Power BI, and the new tool that's still in preview, which is Power Pages. So to start, you can go to Microsoft Learn, and you can see different learning paths to start to learn, and they have different YouTube channels that you can learn on Power Platform. And one good thing about Power Platform is that you can build applications, you can build solutions without using coding. So it's actually for both. It's like a platform that is both for citizen developers, that's people without no coding experience, and also for pro developers.
Great. So, how are the opportunities available for this domain in specific?
Okay, there are many opportunities available for Power Platform. I see a lot of opportunities on Power Platform, both for writing, both for building apps, because Power Apps for building applications. Power Automate is for creating automations that helps to reduce manual taxes that you are supposed to do manually. You are able to automate them, and you have the opportunity of building chatbots, creating websites, and all of this without coding. And companies are a lot of companies are looking for people who are in this space to be able to increase the productivity in their companies, and also to spend less because they don't have to, especially when building, you don't have to take months to build. And also getting, like now, creating a website, and everything you are getting is actually from a data source, which is very amazing. And also chatbots, when you have a chatbot on your website, any data that is entered on that chatbot comes back to your data source, and you're able to keep track of your customer satisfaction. So yeah, it's great.
Great. Also, I see that you're not from a computer science background, right?
Yes, I'm not.
So, what made you start with this? What really got your attention?
Okay, I'm actually studying. I'm a student. I'm studying industrial mathematics in University of Benin, and I actually got into tech. I can't say it's very late. It's I got into tech last year after attending the boot camp, and I don't really know what to say. But after seeing that the things I could build with Power Platform, that I could actually build an app. You understand? I can create a dashboard and different things without coding. Got me more interested into coming into tech.
Amazing. Like, that's the thing about the IT industry. The opportunities you get in here is
Yeah.
enormous,
Yes.
literally.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, what's your future planning? Is there something else that you're planning to learn or you are learning right now?
Okay. I'm actually learning HTML to improve my skills in Power Platform, and also I'm planning to go into Azure to get better in Azure. Yeah.
If it was like that, you had to, choose some specific domain except the IT industry, what will it be?
Okay. Into some certain domain, I'll go into music. If I'm not into tech, I'll go into music. I'll be a singer. Yeah.
Amazing. So, what tip will you give to a student who is starting up their career in the technical domain from your journey that you have learned from all the ups and downs and getting out of the comfort zone that you have learned till now?
Yeah, I'll tell them to, the first thing to do is to join a community, because you have a lot of issues with imposter syndrome. You have a lot of, you be like, okay, can I move to this step, to the next step? Being being introduced into something new, it's scary at first, but when you go into it and you just say, okay, I'm going to head into this with, I'm not going to think much into it, I'm just going to learn. So, and you have to involve yourself in the community. The tech, if, I don't know if you know about Twitter. Okay, yeah, Twitter, they have a tech community for different careers. Just find your own domain and just be with them. They're going to direct you, and they're going to share opportunities with you. Yeah.
Great. I guess with that, we can wrap up today's session. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Rachel, for joining us and sharing
Thank
your
you.
journey with us.
Thank
And
you very
thank you to
much.
all listeners who joined us. And stay tuned because we're going to come up with many more videos like this. Have a good
Yeah.
day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.